Hi, babies. Here's your ma'am with yet another story for you. And this time, this is something that is, I'm so much connected to this storybook. And I know each one of us is equally connected, especially in these times when we cannot go for our favorite thing, that is shopping. And what is the after shopping things that we all do? We go to the mall. We used to go to the malls, we used to do shopping, and after shopping we used to eat something yummy, and then when we come back we used to dress up, used to see how our things are looking, and everything looks so perfect, and we were so extra happy that particular day that we have bought something for ourselves. Yes, so it happens to all of us. It happens to all of us. So now, today I'm going to tell you a story that is almost about the same thing, and that also happens to two beings, they being cats. Yes, the name of the storybook is Mimi and Moochie, and this is the cover page of the storybook, and this is the back page. Okay, so shall we start? Yes, so this storybook is written by Margaret Chamberlain. Okay, so the author of the storybook is Margaret Chamberlain. It's a wonderful story. Let's just start. I can't wait to tell you. Okay, so these are the two beautiful cats, Mimi and Moochie. Okay, so what happens? What do they say? Hey Mimi, says Moochie, there's no time to lose. We are going shopping. I need some new shoes. So Mimi and Moochie, they meet. They are both friends, and they say, let's don't waste any more time, and let's buy some shoes for me because I need some shoes. So Mimi's heart skipped a beat. She shouted out, yes. So, remember the good old days when we used to go to shopping and we used to shout the same way when somebody used to ask, you want to go to a mall for shopping? And we used to say, yes, mama, and yes, baby, or whatever, to whatever person we used to say. And it used to be so much fun. We keep our fingers crossed that we get those days again quickly, yes? So then they both go to the shopping and they say, I need shoes, I need hats, I need gloves, a sparkly new dress. So this is the same way we all make lists before shopping. Yes, we all make lists before shopping. We need this. So the same way they decided that we need shoes, hats, gloves, and a sparkly new dress. Oh, and there they reach the mall. Yes, and you can see so many sparkly accessories all over the floor. There are purses, there are bags, there are clutches, there are shoes, all silver, all shiny, twinkling. And look at those shoes. They have got ribbons. They are, both are talking that look at those lovely shoes. They've got ribbons also. And oh, Mimi, says Moochie, I've got to have those. Okay, so now they are choosing their bits from the accessory floor that is there. And do they buy them? Do they buy those shoes? Yes, they do. Won't you? Yes, we all would love to buy something when we go. So, won't you buy? Yes, we all would. So now they go next to buy lovely dresses for themselves. So off they go just as before, up the big stairs to the party dress floor. Now they move ahead to the mall and then they go to the party dress floor, and Mimi actually chooses a silky new dress, whereas Moochie chooses something spotty. See, Mimi has chosen a silky dress and Moochie has chosen a spotty dress. So they're both so happy. Would they buy them? Yes, they do, won't you? Anybody would buy lovely dresses like those. And now what happens? Now they're done with their shopping. They had, bought so many things for themselves, and now they're tired and they said, now let's have some ice cream. Oh, I'm so jealous of Mimi and Moochie. Now they're having yummy ice cream. They're having a seat and they're having ice cream now. Yes? So, see, have a look at their shopping bags. So many shopping bags. They bought so much stuff for themselves. And now what happens? Oh my God, while they were sitting and having the yummy ice cream, what do they see? Two pretty kitties. Okay, there were two pretty kitties, and somebody, they just fell in a muddy puddle. एक muddy puddle में both the kitties they fell, and what happened to their dresses? Oh my God! So just so much mud came out of the car that was going from there, and both those kitties, not Mimi and Muchi, two another kitties, both their dresses got all wet and brown, and they are feeling so bad, and they started crying. Oh my God, our so pretty dresses are so messed up, so wet. What will we do? How will we look now? So then what did they do? When Mimi and Muchi saw them, they said, "We will help them. For sure, we are going to help them." So, what did they do? They gave this specially bought nice, lovely dresses to those. Mimi and Muchi gave it to those new kitties they saw, जिनकी dresses पे सारा mud गिर गया था. उन two new kitties को Mimi and Muchi gave their two new dresses. Wow, so generous of them. Would you do this to anybody? If somebody has spoiled all their dresses because of mud or anything, can you give your newly bought dresses to someone? It takes a big heart to do it. So Mimi and Muchi are so nice. So they said, "Don't worry, kitties. It's your lucky day. We will give you our newly bought dresses, and you will look very pretty in them." Yes. So then what happened? They also bought a new jacket, and they decided that this zip jacket with pockets, they will give this jacket to the cat who has small hips. So they give this jacket to that cat. Yes. And now, when they moved ahead, they saw two beautiful kittens, and they said, "Why don't we dress up these beautiful kittens also? They look so pretty, they look so cute." And so they gave their stuff to them also. अपनी चीज़ें उन्होंने उन छोटे छोटे kittens को भी दे दी, and उनको भी beautifully dress कर दिया, so that they can also look cute. Now they were only left with the shoes. That was the only thing they were having now, and they had no time to lose. There was another cat there without shoes. They saw a cat without shoes there, and they decided, oh, a cat with no shoes doesn't look good. So we should rather give our shoes to the cat. And they gave the last thing they bought from shopping to the cat, and now they were left with nothing, and still so happy. Can you see them? Mimi and Muchi. And both cats agree, what a wonderful day we had. First we went shopping, and then we gave it all away. Yes? Now, well, would you do the same thing, that you go for shopping, you enjoy a full day, you bring dresses, you bring shoes, you bring so much lovely stuff, and then you give it all away to everyone who needs it? Yes, can you do that? It's a very generous and big heart. It takes a big heart to do that. And I think we should all learn a lesson from Mimi and Muchi, that if we enjoying is about spending good time, even if you can't go and wear actually those things, but just going and buying them and helping others with your things also makes us feel very nice. So amidst these times when we all can't go shopping and enjoy those days, we should always try to help others and feel the same way. Yes? Okay? Love you all, my kids, and hope you learn a lot from my lovely story, Mimi and Muchi. See you.